morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today we're doing a very quick tutorial to make a flower, a little applique flower that you can put on tops and bags and hats. You can use 2 different colors or a variety of different colors or just one color. So I just want to show you how to do that because it's relevant for another tutorial. So just grab whatever yarn you want to make a flower or different colors of yarn, and then the appropriate hook. I am using just some extra yarn here. It's just some sparkle merino yarn. You will need scissors and a little tapestry needle just to sew in or to attach your project, your little flower, to whatever project you're working on. And I'm using 4mm hook just because that's the appropriate size for this project. So to start, we are just going to do a magic circle. So just put your yarn around however you make your magic circle, and then you hook your yarn and make a chain. If you cannot make a magic circle, you can always chain 2 and then work into the very first chain and make 12 double crochets. So when you have your magic loop and your chain 3, you're just going to go into that loop and make 12 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and once you have 12, just make sure that you pull your loop nice and tight and seal it up, and that is the center of your flower done. So once you're all sealed up or all closed up, then you just slip stitch into the top of the first stitch and make sure that you have 12 stitches, double crochet stitches in there. And at this point you can either cut your yarn and add a new color, or if you're just continuing with the same color, this is where you can continue. Just make sure that when you reattach your yarn or a new color, that you chain 5 into any stitch, doesn't matter which one, where you're starting. And excuse my nails, I'm so sorry that they look awful. Again, I've been dyeing yarn and they're a mess, so please ignore and give grace to my disastrous nails. Okay, so to continue, we are going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to triple crochet into, so that's yarn over twice, and you're going to triple crochet into the same space, so into that same stitch. So that's pull up your loop, yarn over, pull through 2, but we're not going to complete this triple crochet. So you yarn over and pull through again, but leave this incomplete. So you'll have 2 loops on your hook, and then we're going to do that again. So do another triple crochet, but make sure that's incomplete. So yarn over, pull a loop through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now that's going to leave 3 loops on your hook. And then you're going to do that again, triple, go into that same space again, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That leaves 4 loops on the hook. Then we're going to keep going and do another triple crochet, or an incomplete one. So yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2, pull through 2, and we've got 5 on there. Yarn over, or sorry, we're doing another triple crochet, so yarn over twice, yarn over, pull through 2, and pull through 2, and that will give us 6 loops. And we're doing that again. So just make it incomplete so that you have 7 loops, and we're going to do one more. So in total you're doing 7 triple crochets, but incomplete ones, into that stitch, and that will give you a total of 8 loops on your hook. And then you're going to yarn over and pull through all 8 of those, just like that. And then we're going to chain 1, so that just kind of locks it into place. And you're going to go into each of these spaces with, but you'll do that at the top, so I'm just showing you where it splits. So you go into each of these with a single crochet, just like that. So a single crochet, but in between each of these you will do a chain 1 as well. So single crochet, then chain 1, then go into the next one, and single crochet, chain 1, go into the next one, then chain 2, then go into the next one, and then chain 1, go into the next one, chain 1, go into the next one, and kind of creates, you'll be able to see it better when it's done, but that creates the little petal. So then we're going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then slip stitch into that same stitch that you did. And that is the first petal done. So on to the next one, we're going to slip stitch into the next stitch, and then slip stitch into the next stitch. Now chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then make 7 incomplete triple crochets into that same stitch. So just pull through 2, and then make sure that you have a remaining loop on your hook, and keep going. So do that 7 times. So you'll end up with 8 loops on your hook. See there? And then you pull through all 8 of those. So yarn over and pull through all 8 like that. And then chain 1 and then go back into the space in between and do a single crochet. Chain 1 and then go into the next one. And that's a single crochet and then chain 1. And then into the next one is a single crochet and chain 2. And then single crochet into the next space, chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, single crochet, and then you chain 5, and then go back into the stitch again and do a slip stitch just like that. And that is the second petal done. So then we slip stitch and then slip stitch again and just repeat. So you do this until you have 6 petals. So I'll just go through it again with you one last time. So chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then doing 7 incomplete triple crochets. So just make sure that you always have 8 loops on your hook, and then you yarn over and pull through all 8 of those, and then chain 1, go back into the space below and do a single crochet, chain 1, the next space, single crochet, chain 1, the next space, single crochet, chain 2, then the next space, a single crochet, and then chain 1, next space, single crochet, chain 1, next space, single crochet, and then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then back into this space here. And that is your 3rd petal done. So you just go into the next stitch with a slip stitch into the next stitch, and then chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I will leave you to that, and you can continue until you have 6 petals, and then I'll meet you back at the very end. Okay, so once you have your 6 petals, you can, I would recommend that you, well, first, after you've slip stitched into the final stitch, you can also slip stitch one last time into the previous petal as well, just to tighten things up a little bit if it seems a little bit loose. And then you can cut your yarn and pull that through to seal it up, just like that, and pull it tight. And that is your flower pretty much done. The one thing that you can do if you want the petals to overlap a little bit more, you can always take your yarn and kind of sew it and stitch it in, so that it looks a little bit tighter if you want it to sort of have a more of a 3D effect like that. You can put little pearls in the middle, or diamonds or gems, whatever little things, or leave it just as it is. But that's basically it. And then you have the tail in the middle here that you can use to sew in with your tapestry needle into any project that you have. So yeah, that's basically all there is to this cute little flower applique. Again, yeah, it works up really quickly and you can make different projects. This is for the hat. I'm going to put the link for the hat below, and then so you can have that as well. That's it. Happy crocheting. Make beautiful things. Have fun with this and other projects, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.